Good morning and welcome to this week's Leadership Chat. You know, the new year is a great time to start setting goals. However, many people are afraid of goal setting, and that is because they don't set SMART goals. You see, SMART is the acronym for being specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-based. You can see over here on my chart. Your goal needs to be specific. It needs to be pinpoint to what you want to accomplish. It needs to be measurable, or else you'll never know how you're doing. And achievable. This is where a lot of people fail because they make goals too lofty and they don't achieve them. And make it relevant. Make it relevant to what you want to accomplish. It's going to either better yourself or better your organization. And don't forget to make it time-based. SMART goals are time-based. If goals are not time-based, they just float around forever and you never get to accomplish them. So remember, set SMART goals this year. And next week, we will focus on what each one of these SMART goals mean. So until then, use this information to sell and lead like a champion. Thank you.